Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video, crypto enthusiasts. In today's tutorial, we are diving into the steps on how to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet in 2024. Whether you are a seasoned investor or just getting started, join me as we explore the simple process of acquiring Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. So guys, let's get started. So before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So, the first thing guys that I will need you to do is to simply head up to the Trust Wallet official website. I made it now in the dark mode so it can be easily for me to look into my screen. So yeah, so this is guys the URL, which is trustwallet.com. And what you need to do is to choose either you want to download this app as an app or as an extension on your browser. So for me, I'm going to download it as an extension. Here we simply have to choose which kind of extension we'd like to have. So for Chrome, I want it for Chrome, and now add to Chrome, add extension, and there we go. So now we only need to wait a little bit. So here it is, and we are here. So what we need to do is to create a new wallet. Here we need to add the password. So there we go. We need one upper letter. Okay, here you go. I have read and agreed, and then I'm going to click on next. Then as you can see, no thanks, and here open wallet, and got it. So here we go. Now we have successfully had and opened our wallet, which is the Trust Wallet. Here it is in this browser. So here you might ask me, how can I actually buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet? So the first thing that comes to mind is simply by going here. So we go up here, click on buy, and as you can see here, there is buy and sell. So what you should do is to click on buy and then choose your currency. So here there is many kind of currencies that you can choose from, so make sure to choose your country currencies. Then put the amount that you want to spend from your currency. So here, for example, I want to spend around $150, and here, what do you want to buy with it? So for me, I want to buy Bitcoin. So select Bitcoin. If you couldn't find it on the first screen, simply just search for it right here. So click on search by name and search for Bitcoin, and you will find it. So there's three kind of Bitcoin, as you can see guys. There's the Bitcoin Cash token, Bitcoin Cash, and Bitcoin. Go for the Bitcoin. So there we go. Now we have it, and simply now this is basically one of the third-party providers below, so you have to choose one of them. So there is, for example, each one of them has its own ratio. So for us, we're gonna, for example, with this one. So for now, as you can see, before you buy, secure your funds and back up your secret phrase. So we need to back it up. So show here we need to add password. I don't really care if I showed my secret. Okay, so back up. All right, save image as, and download it. Now proceed, and let's open the image. Okay, so I'm going to take it to the other screen, and now let's simply type. So let's drag this. Show is first, spend is second, fashion is basically third, margin is fourth. So what is it? Margin, win, then crowd, then advance, then struggle, then abuse, then dwarf, absorb. So dwarf, absorb, and trend. Then click on next, and there we go. So now after I click on buy, yeah, now we don't have a problem. So let's choose Bitcoin, choose for example this one, and normally as you can see here, this is not working. Let me just check one of them. Okay, so this one is working basically. So here, as you can see, I should choose again the currency which I have chosen right here, which is USD, and here there is the Bitcoin. So I have chosen right here, and as you can see from this area, you can choose the payment method. So there is card payments, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and Cash App. So you can choose whatever you want from these. After you are confirming that you will get $150 worth of Bitcoin, which is around 0.002 Bitcoins, simply click on buy now. After that, put your email address, click on continue, and a verification code will be sent to you. So let's open our inbox, open the first link, copy this code and paste it right there. Click on continue, and of course I agree, and there we go. So now what you'll have to do is simple. Just fulfill these informations with your own information. For me, I'm gonna just use fake name generator. So for the sake of this video, since I don't really want to show any of my private informations. So there we go. Copy this, have that, paste it here, and I'm gonna change that to that here, and now for this one 15. Click on continue, and now we proceed to the second process, which is putting the address. There we go, city, and yeah, so the zip code is this one. Here we have the city, and the country is the USA. So let's search for the USA. United States of America. State is gonna be Texas, TX or something like that. It's okay. Continue. Valid postal code. Let me just, okay, let's add something like that, Texas, and continue. It is very weird. Wait, let me just remove that. Oh, my bad, total bad. All right, we missed the number here. Continue. And yeah, so now what's your purpose of using Transact by selling crypto for investment? That's exactly what I want. And there we go. So now we have to put our social security number. So we have to copy this. I'm gonna paste it right here, 342, and copy it, paste it here, continue, and let's see if it's gonna work. So we just have to wait. There we go. So you don't seem to have camera permission enabled. So now what you need to do is to actually take a picture of yourself or take a picture of your identity so you can confirm it. So you have to make enabled, and then you have to take a picture of yourself. So taking a picture of yourself will allow them to verify your identity. So next you can with it buy your cryptocurrency. Now after this process, you will be faced with another process that will ask you to put your credit card information. So you have to put, for example, your basically the basics, so the number, the name, and the CVC and the expired date, so you can use it for other payments later on, of course, so you can pay for this current purchase that you're gonna do with Bitcoin. And guys, make sure that you already own an account in all of these three different kind of codes or third-party providers, since sometimes one of them will be better than the other in the amount of price, and you will have your account ready to go. Because as you can see, their codes refresh in 3 seconds, so they keep changing every 5 seconds, so the price will not be fixed. And yeah, this is as simple as it is. This is how you can buy Bitcoin. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.